Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to display an Outlook envelope icon in the taskbar whenever you receive new mail. This is a really useful feature if you want a quick visual reminder that new emails have arrived without constantly checking your inbox. Once enabled, Outlook can show a small badge, unread indicator, or envelope notification directly on your taskbar or app icon so you instantly know when new mail comes in. I'll walk you through the setup step by step using Outlook on the web. Plus, I'll show you a few extra notification settings that help make sure everything works properly. Let's get started. First, open Outlook on web browser. After logging in, keep Outlook open throughout this process because notification badges and taskbar indicators only work while Outlook is actively running. Now, look toward the top right corner of the Outlook page and click the Settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will open on the side of the screen. Inside the settings window, look to the left-hand side and click General. The General section contains app-wide preferences that affect how Outlook behaves across your device. Under General, select Notifications. This page controls alerts for emails, sounds, reminders, and visual notification badges. Now look for the option that enables notifications for new mail and make sure it's turned on. Without this enabled, Outlook won't send any notification indicators to your browser or operating system. Next, look for a setting related to showing an unread badge, envelope icon, or taskbar notification. Depending on your browser or Outlook version, the wording may vary slightly. You might see something like Show Unread Count on App Icon, Show Taskbar Badge, or Display Notification Badge for new mail. Enable that option as well. If there's a Save button at the bottom of the page, click it before leaving the settings window. Now let's talk about something important. Outlook on the web relies heavily on both browser permissions and your computer's notification settings. That means even if Outlook notifications are enabled, your browser or Windows settings can still block the envelope icon from appearing. So let's quickly check those. If your browser displays a pop-up asking you whether you want to allow notifications from Outlook, make sure you click Allow. If you accidentally blocked notifications earlier, you can still fix it. In most browsers, click the lock icon beside the website address, open Site Settings or Permissions, and make sure notifications are allowed for Outlook. Next, check your Windows notification settings. On Windows computers, features like Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb can temporarily hide taskbar alerts and notification badges. Open your system settings and confirm those modes are turned off if you want Outlook notifications to appear consistently. Now here's a helpful bonus tip. If you use Microsoft Edge, you can actually install Outlook as a desktop-style app. To do this, open Outlook in Edge, click the three-dot menu in the browser, go to Apps, and choose Install this site as an app. Once installed, you can pin Outlook directly to your taskbar. This often provides a cleaner badge notification experience because the unread indicator appears directly on the Outlook icon itself. After finishing all your settings, refresh the Outlook page. Then send yourself a quick test email from another account. Watch your taskbar closely as the message arrives. If everything is configured correctly, you should see a small envelope icon, unread count, or notification badge appear on the Outlook icon. If it still doesn't appear, double-check that Outlook notifications are enabled, your browser permissions are allowed, and Outlook is actively open in the background. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable Outlook taskbar notifications and display an envelope icon whenever new mail arrives. It's a simple setup, but it can make staying on top of your inbox much easier throughout the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Outlook tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.